Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever spun a globe and wondered what it's really like on the other side? Today, we're embarking on an epic virtual journey to explore all 7 of our planet's magnificent continents. So, buckle up, because we're about to circle the globe in just 5 minutes. Let's start with the biggest of them all, Asia. Home to more than half of the world's population, Asia is a continent of incredible contrasts. From the soaring heights of the Himalayas to the bustling neon-lit streets of Tokyo, it's a place where ancient traditions meet futuristic innovations. Imagine exploring the Great Wall of China, savoring delicious street food in Thailand, or witnessing the incredible biodiversity of its rainforest. Asia is truly a feast for the senses. Next, we journey south to the vast and wild continent of Africa. This is the cradle of humankind, a land of breathtaking landscapes. Picture the endless savannas of the Serengeti teeming with wildlife, the majestic Victoria Falls thundering into a gorge, and the ancient pyramids of Egypt standing silent against the desert sands. Africa's vibrant cultures, rich history, and stunning natural beauty are simply unparalleled. Hopping across the Atlantic, we arrive in North America. This continent is a tapestry of diverse environments. You've got the icy tundras of the far north, the sun-drenched beaches of the Caribbean, the towering redwood forests of California, and the Grand Canyons carved by time. From the vibrant metropolis of New York City to the ancient Mayan ruins in Mexico, North America offers an adventure for every type of traveler. Let's head south to the land of rhythm and passion. South America. Home to the world's largest rainforest, the Amazon, and the longest mountain range, the Andes. This continent is bursting with life. Imagine trekking to the lost city of Machu Picchu in Peru, dancing the samba at Carnival in Rio de Janeiro, or marveling at the unique wildlife of the Galapagos Islands. South America is a continent that will capture your heart and ignite your spirit. Now, let's venture to the bottom of the world, to the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, Antarctica. This is a land of extremes, a pristine wilderness of ice and snow. It might seem inhospitable, but it's teeming with life. From massive penguin colonies to majestic whales cruising through icy waters. It's a place reserved for intrepid explorers and scientists, a stunning reminder of our planet's raw power and beauty. Heading back north, we land in Europe, a continent packed with history, art, and culture. Every corner of Europe tells a story. You can wander through the ancient ruins of Rome, gaze up at the Eiffel Tower in Paris, cruise through the dramatic fjords of Norway, or explore fairy tale castles in Germany. With so many countries packed into a relatively small area, Europe is a treasure trove of diverse experiences just waiting to be discovered. Last but certainly not least, we have Australia. Often called the land down under, it's both a country and a continent. Australia is famous for its unique wildlife, like kangaroos and koalas, and its stunning natural wonders. From the Great Barrier Reef to the vast, red expanse of the outback, with its laid-back culture, beautiful beaches, and vibrant cities like Sydney, Australia is a world of its own. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of all 7 continents. Each one is a unique world with its own stories, landscapes, and cultures. Our planet is such an incredibly diverse and beautiful place. What continent do you dream of visiting most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for joining me on this global adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next exploration. Until next time, stay curious.